Yes, today we are going to discuss about when Ali became Bajrangabali. So take out your course, globe. I'm sorry. When Ali became Bajrangabali book. Come on. Everyone take out this book. Yes. And page number 6, children. There are no page numbers in the book. So I request you all to put some page numbers in your, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You just write the page numbers in your book so that whenever I ask you to take the page number, it will be easy for you. Page numbers are not given in the book, beta. Please take 2 minutes. Hardly it takes 2 minutes to write the page number. So make it fast. Write page numbers on your book. Ketana, write page number, beta. Page numbers. Advit Guja, Vinit Jaker, Swarnika, Ayansh Gupta, Bhavashid Hayati, Dhirav. Turn on your videos. Come on, turn on your camera. Ayansh Gupta, I'll put you all in the waiting room if you will not turn on your camera. Yes, page number 6. Page number 6 is this. Yes, yes. Good. So now let's see. I'm going. So, see ya. Look into your book. Everyone began to talk once nervously. What is the meaning of nervous? Yes, children. Can you tell me? We already discussed this. What is the meaning of nervous? Unmute and tell me, beta.
Tension.
Yeah, tension. So everyone
began.
Yes, everyone began to walk in tension. Mechanical monsters.
Yes, mechanical monsters.
Yes, who are there? Who said that? Yes. Who said that? Who said that there were 2 mechanical monsters? Annie the owl said. Yes.
Mechanical monsters.
Yeah, and also the owl said that the humans are coming. They are going to destroy our homes. What is the meaning of destroy? Spoil. What is their home? Where is their homes? Come on, tell me. Where are their homes?
They will live on tree.
Yes, where are their homes? Their homes are on tree. And
Only.
yeah, the 2
On
monsters.
the tree they will be and they will live.
Yes. So Annie the owl said, their humans are coming. They are going to destroy our homes. Their sharp metal teeth will chop down our teeth. See, children, this is one of the mechanical monster. What Annie was saying. What's his name? Can you tell me?
JCB. Monster.
Big jawed. Big jawed monster. What is that? Tell me, Siam. See, I wrote on the screen. Can you see?
No.
You cannot see?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Just a second. Now you tell me. Now can you see?
You can see only JCB.
Oh.
Ma'am, I can't see. Full black screen.
Arre.
Ma'am, I can't see. Ma'am, I can't see, ma'am.
Now.
I can see.
Now everyone can see?
Ma'am, I can see black screen, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, now I can see, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I can see, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can see, no? That's fine. Now see here. Big jawed monster. See what the big jawed monster is going to do there? It will chop down our tree. It is going to chop the tree. You can see in the picture, children. See here, look at the picture. How dangerous it is, how it is taking out the trees, how it is digging the land. Yes. So the animals are very much worried, tensed, that their homes are going to destroy. Humans are sitting in that monster. You can see that. Who is driving it? A human. He's sitting in that monster and he is digging the land. He's taking out the plants from the roots. Big jawed monster. Yes. So they are very much tensed. They are very much worried about their homes. Okay. Next one, let's see. Let's see the next picture. Next, what is the next monster? Yes? See, the next monster is heavy roller. Children, can you see this? Heavy roller. What the roller is going to do? Yes, it is what the Ani is telling, that the roller monster will flatten the ground. It will flatten the ground so that the trees will not grow again. Okay, if once the place is flattened, no, again the trees will not grow in that place. So how these animals will stay, how they can have their homes, that's why they are very much worried. See children, you can see here a big heavy roller, how it is running over the place. Yeah, roller, big roller, heavy roller. So tell me the monsters' names now. One is big jawed monster and the other one is heavy roller monster. Tell me, what are the names of the two monsters?
Big monster, heavy roller monster.
Yes. Yes, big jawed monster, heavy roller monster. Next, turn the page. Page number 7.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
I have a doubt.
Yes, beta, tell me.
Heavy roller, what will it do?
It will flatten the road. You see in the picture? See in the picture how it is moving on the land. It is, see how it is running. Yes?
Yes.
It will flatten the road.
Flatten means?
Flatten means flat, very tight, flat. How roads will be? Soft and flat roads, no?
Yes.
Yes. Trees will grow there. Will trees grow there? No. Trees will not grow. Okay. If the soil is very loose and fertile, yes, if the soil is very loose and fertile, then only plants can grow. If once the roller will flatten, no, then if roller flats the land, then the plants will not grow. The land will become very tight and close together. So plants will not grow. That's the reason they are all tensed, worried, all the animals. Now see page number 7. See there, one man with big, yes. What do he have here? You can see there. Can you tell me page number 7? What will you see there? What you are able to see?
One man I can see, ma'am.
One
man. One man.
One man, yes. One man with what?
Mustache. See the owl. Two owl I can see. Two black owls. Two black owls. And two black bats. And mustache.
Yes, mustache. The man with big mustache. You can see there. See here. See, look at the screen.
Yes, I can only see the truck picture. Where is the man?
Page number 7 you open.
Yes.
Open the page number.
Now I can see.
Yes. You see this? Page, see this man with big mustache? So funny to see, no?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, beta.
in the course book is there, in the when Ali became Bajrang Bali.
When Ali became
What is
Bajranga
this
Bali
man
book,
like
page
this?
number 7.
Ma'am.
The man with big
This
mustache.
one,
See?
ma'am?
Mustache, how big? You all want this type of mustache?
No! No!
Okay. So see here, a man with big mustache, no? He came there and what is he doing? Just then there was a tap, tap, tap on the side of the tree. They heard a sound of see the man came and he is testing the trees by hitting with the fingers. And what sound they can hear there? Tap, tap, tap sound. Okay. It surprised Dupki and Chupki. Who are Dupki and Chupki? You know, two bats. See there? On the tree. You can see there are two bats. Yes, playing bats. Cricket bats are there. Cricket bat. No.
No.
Winged bats. Winged animal. Yes, small winged animals. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So that two bats.
Means
What are the names of the winged means wings, beta?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so here, what are the names of these two bats? Dupki and Chupki. Dupki and Chupki. Yes. Nice names, no?
Ma'am, to see him only so funny.
Yes, so funny. Yes. Next one, a man with fades looking mustache. Mustache was walking around the tree, knocking on the bark and measuring the trunk. The trunk. Do you know the trunk, children? Yes?
Yes.
The main stem of the tree. Very good. Yes.
The stem of the tree.
Yes, the main stem of the tree, which is very hard. So he's testing that. He is testing.
Testing that.
Yes, he's testing the tree. He's walking around the tree. And it was very much surprised. It surprised Dupki and Chupki. Oh, the man, he's coming and he's testing us tree. Yes, and he's very dangerous. See, he's going to destroy. He's going to cut our trees. Who were talking all these things? Dupki and Chupki were discussing among themselves. Okay? Okay. Yes. Now you tell me. Why everyone began to talk at once nervously? Why? Tell me. Monsters. Yes.
Monsters,
Yes.
ma'am.
Humans and two monsters. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And now you tell me, what are the names of the two monsters?
Big John monster. Big John heavy roller monster.
Very good. Big
Heavy
George.
roller
Yes.
monster and Big John monster.
Very good. Very good. Big Jawed monster and heavy roller monster. And now you tell me, what are the names of the two bats? There were two bats in the picture. Yes. Tell me the names of the two bats.
Dupki.
Ah, very good. Dupki Chupki. And how was the man who came there to test the tree? How is he looking?
Really angry.
Angry. And what do he have? And what do he have? He have big.
Man, he is angry.
Yes, he has a big mustache. Yes, this much big. Yes, looking so funny. Yes, you try. Will you try today? You just take the black color sketch and put one big mustache like this and see how you are looking today. Will you do it? Yes. Try it. Try it. No, you try. You try and take the pics and send me. I want to see how you are all looking.
No.
With big mustache from here to here.
Okay,
How many? Okay. How many of you will send me the pics of with your big mustache? Raise your hand. Vinit Jaikar is ready. Very good. Dhirav is ready. Very good, Dhirav.
Ma'am.
Yes. Sai Joshit is also ready.
I can't raise my hand.
Okay. I know you are ready. See. See, look at Ananya.
Ma'am, I am also.
Look at Ananya. Look at Ananya.
Ma'am, I am also.
No, everyone look at Ananya first.
Okay, ma'am.
Looking so nice. Clap for her. Clap. Everyone clap.
Ma'am, I also, ma'am. Ma'am, I also.
Okay, so you can do. You want to do now? Like Ananya? See, Ananya is so funny. Ananya, you're looking so cute.
Now I want to do. That I'll do it. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Nice.
Hey,
Nice.
what's that?
Yeah. See, a man with big mustache. And who's this? Ashrita. K. Ashrita is also showing us. K. Ashrita.
Okay,
Do it again. Do it again. Show me. Ashrita. You did it, no? Show me once again. Do it. See, K. Ashrita. Nice, children. Nice, good. Good, Tanvisri. Let's sing birthday song for Sai Ritvik. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Sai Ritvik. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Sai Ritvik. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sai Ritvik.
Happy birthday to Sai Ritvik. Happy birthday, Sai Ritvik.
Yes. So nice to celebrate your birthday. Online celebration is going on. Where is your cake? When you are going to cut? Evening?
In here.
Evening?
In my house.
Shall we come? Shall we come to your house?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day, beta. God bless you. Nice, nice, nice. Good. Good, beta. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice, nice. Banu, good.